Benefits of a blacksmith business. Blacksmithing as a business is a fairly profitable enterprise. The workshop can offer potential customers forged fences, bars on windows and fireplaces, gates, garden furniture, gazebos, candlesticks, flower stands, etc. The main feature of the forge is the narrow focus of the business. If there are competitors in this niche, the chances of succeeding in the market are not so high. Therefore, the first step is to analyze the demand and existing offers, draw up a business plan for the forge. Setting up a blacksmith business from scratch. To start an enterprise, you must first officially register it with the local branch of the Federal Tax Service. There is no need to create a legal entity, an individual entrepreneur is enough. To do this, you need to submit to the tax office passport of an individual entrepreneur, copies of all pages of the document, application on Form R21001, fee payment receipt. Today, it is not necessary to personally carry all the papers. You can apply for registration of an individual entrepreneur through the Public Services website. Do not forget to indicate the correct OKVED code 2550. 1. Provision of services for forging, pressing, volumetric and sheet stamping and sheet metal profiling. Building a business strategy. Before you open a forge as a business, decide on the main line of work. It can be hot or cold forging, or a combination of these technologies. Hot forging, casting allows you to create real works of art. In this case, each product is completely unique. It will not be possible to create even two identical parts. But the operating costs of melting furnaces are high, which will affect the cost of products. This option is suitable for those who have enough initial capital to organize a hot shop. In addition, it is desirable that there are enough potential customers nearby. For example, elite cottage settlements. Cold forging is cheaper for both the entrepreneur and the customer. The cost of organizing a workplace is also much less. Therefore, this technology is suitable for those who are constrained by means. The only negative is that the competition in this niche can be quite tough. Arrangement of the premises for the forge. When starting a blacksmithing business, you should pay close attention to the selection and arrangement of the premises. The workshop cannot be located in a residential building. The level of noise, air pollution and thermal radiation does not allow this. It is desirable that the forge be located in the industrial area away from the residential area. SES and fire supervision impose special requirements on such workshops. The room should be well ventilated. It is important to organize good ventilation of the entire area. The surfaces of the ovens must be covered with heat-insulating materials, as well as curtains, and an air shower must be created. The floors are covered with clinker, diabase. They are arranged so as to withstand shock, vibration, heat. The foundation of the building is isolated from the floor. A shabbat is laid on the slab, the base of the anvil of a mechanical hammer. The minimum area is 80 square m. Ceiling height, from 3 meters and above. In front of stamping installations it is necessary to use removable barriers, shields. Employees must be equipped with a separate dressing room, shower room. Forge equipment. The basis of the blacksmith workshop is a gas or coal furnace for heating workpieces, hammers, anvils. In addition, you will need drilling machines, drills, metal cutting equipment, sets of pliers and vise, hydraulic press, stamps, molds, lathes,